So today's topic is square root by long division method. You all know that how to find the square of a number. But today we are going to see how to find the square root of a number and by long division method. So you know that 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 4. 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16. 5 square is equal to 25. 6 square is equal to 36. 7 square is equal to 49. 8 square is equal to 64. 9 square is equal to 81. You have to remember these much squares in advance. These much squares you should remember in advance because this 1 to 9 squares are useful to find square root by long division method. Okay. So what we are going to do, first of all, to find the square root by long division method, we take one example, 7, 2, 2, 5. To find the square root. Okay. So what we do, as the name suggests, it is a long division method. We put it like this. If there are 4 digits or 5 digits, whatever it is, from the right side, we take 2-digit pair. First pair, second pair. We have to be very careful. If there is a number over here, then it becomes single. If there are 2 numbers, it becomes a pair. It should be very much clear that you have to form a pair from the right side. Okay, you have to form the pair from the right side. From this side, you have to form the pairs of two digits together. Okay. Pay attention. It is to be done in a systematic way. Okay. Let us see 72. Now, 72 comes between which two numbers? It comes between 64 and 81. 72 comes between 64 and 81. So it comes between 8 square and 9 square. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to take the smallest one. We put here 8. 8 8s are 64. Okay. You have to do the subtraction. What you get? 8. Okay. 8 8s are 64. But 8 plus 8 is how much? 16. Okay. 8 8s are 64, but 8 plus 8 is 16. So you have to take care in the long division method. What you are supposed to do, first you have to put 8 over here. 8 8s are 64, and this side you have to put 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Okay. Now subtracting, you get 8 and this comes down. So this becomes 825. Okay. I'm very clear about it that it becomes 825. So what you are supposed to do, here we got 1 6. Okay. So what you are supposed to do, 1 6 and the third digit you have to find in such a way that when you multiply the third digit, whatever answer you get should be this. Let us see again. If you take 161 multiplied by 1, you get 161. So this is not this is not equal to 825. You can see if it is 5 over here, we can try 5. Whatever number you put over here should be the same number over here. So if you try 165 multiplied by 5, then it becomes 25, 30, 3 5s are, sorry, 1 5 are 5 plus 3, 8. So it is coming like this. What you have to do, you have to put here such a number. When you multiply, you get the same number like this. So 165 5 gives you 825. And when you add over here, it becomes 170. And this becomes 0. So 85 is the answer. This is your first example. I want you to note it down, and then we start with the second one so that your doubts are clear. I will give you many examples so that today you learn how to solve the long division method. Please note it down. Okay, so let us take one more example. You should remember this first because 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9 is very important until 9 square, because this is the first thing that everyone should know. This is very easy to remember that 8 square is equal to 64, 9 square is equal to 81, because the first step comprises from this. Okay, so let us start. Those who are left over writing, please write it down. Also, you need to note down these things because this is also very important. In the starting only, when there is a long division method, please write it down somewhere in the starting only so that you don't have any problem in remembering, because this is the thing that is useful to find the first step for the long division method. Let us start with the second example. The second example is 961. You have to find the square root of 961. So what we do, we form a pair. We form a pair from the right side, 2 digits pair. If we form a pair from right side, we have one pair and the second pair. In second pair, 9 is all alone. So it doesn't matter. It's okay. We consider over here that it has 0 in the front. Okay. We consider here that it has 0 in the front. Okay. So let us start. First is 9. So where does this 9 come here? Exactly on the 3 square. So what you have to do, you have to put here 3 3s are 9 and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Here it becomes 0 and whole 61 comes down. Okay. What number should be multiplied over here so that we get 61? 61 ones are. It becomes 62 over here because we add, and it 61 ones are become 61, and here you get 0. So the square root of 961 is 31. Please note it down. It is very easy, but we'll take more examples so that you don't have any problem at the end of the video. Please note it down. Okay, so let us start with one more example. The question is, find the square root of 4761. Four, seven, six, one. So what you have to do in this type of question, you have to be very clear that you have to make a pair from the right side. So you make first pair and then you make the second pair. Okay. 47. It comes between 6 square and 7 square. So you have to consider 6 square because the lesser one we consider. So 6 square is equal to 36. So what we do is 6 are 36 and 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. When you subtract over here, you get 1, 1. And when you get this down, what do you get? 61. Okay. So what you are supposed to do, you have to find such a number which when multiplied, you get 1161. Let us see 1, 2, dash, dash. इसके साथ जो भी multiply होगा, for example, if you take 121 into 1 is 121. But what we want 1161. So what we are going to do, 127 multiplied by 7. So what we get? 49. No, 9 is not the ending number. 129 multiplied by 9. What do we get? 9 nines are 81. 2 nines are 18 plus 8, 26. Yes, we are getting 1 nines are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. See, we got 1161. When we took this number and this number should be the same. So we get 129, 1161. We get 0 over here. We get 138. So the answer is 69. So we can write like this also, that the square root of 4761 is equal to 69. I want you to please note it down quick. The next question is, find the square root of 2809 by long division method. First step, we make a pair over here. Okay. 28 comes between 5 square and 6 square because 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. So what we do, we take 5 square. Okay. So 5 square, 5 5s are 25. Here we have to add. So it becomes 10. Subtraction 3, 0, 9. What number should be multiplied over here? So we get 9 over here. Very simple. We can check like this also, that when you take 1 0 dash, what number should be multiplied? So we get 309. Obviously 3. It is very simple. 3 3s are 9, 0 and 3. So we take 3 over here. 106. Here you have to add only and here you have to subtract and you get 0. It is very simple that the square root of 2809 is 53. Please note it down. Very good. Those who got the answer, very good. But try to solve with the long division method, because long division method in the big numbers is very useful. You can't do prime factorization in a very big number. The next number we are going to take is of 5 digits. So get ready for it. The 5-digit numbers I'm going to show you how to solve using the long division method. Please get ready for the next question. The next question is, find the square root of 23104. I know that everyone can calculate this number easily by using calculator or computers, but from long division method, we will find it in an easier way. First knowledge that you should have is of the squares. The squares between 1 to 9. So first step that we are going to take over here is make a pair. Pair of what? From the right side, 2, 2, and this becomes alone. It's his lookout. So we know that 2 comes between 1 and 2. So this we are going to consider. Okay. 1, 1s are 1. So this becomes 2, and here it becomes 1. This whole 31 comes down. So we have to find such a number. We have to find such a number. 21 into 1, 22 into 2, 23 into 3, 24 into 4, 25 into 5, 26 into 6. Because here we have to take a number which when multiplied, both the numbers should be same. Here it becomes 2-digit and here it is single digit. Okay, here we should take a number in such a way that it is exactly less than 131. So this is 21, this is 44, this is 69, this is 96, this is 125. Okay, we got the number 25, 5s are 125. What will be the remainder? The remainder will be 6. And this 04. Every time remember that the whole pair comes down. Alone number doesn't come down. The whole pair comes down. So what happens? 25 plus 5 is 30. Don't forget to do addition over this side, okay? This side is addition. And upon on the top it is multiplication. 30. So what number should be multiplied over here to get 604? 2. Simple. So 302 into 2 is equal to 604. When you subtract, we get 0. This 2 you have to carry forward over here. So we have got the answer 152. Please note it down. The next number we are going to take is also for the 5-digit number, that is 51076. So how we are going to solve this? It's very easy. Just pay attention. What we are going to do? Form a pair from the right side. 1, 2, and this 5 is all alone. But as we know that this 5 comes between 2 square. So what we are supposed to write? 2, 2s are 4 and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. When you subtract, you get 1, 1 0. We have to find over here 41 into 1, 42 into 2, 43 into 3, 44 into 4, whatever is suitable to get 110. So this is 41, this is 84, and this is 126. Obviously, we are going to take 84. So 40, 42 twos are we are going to consider. 42 twos are 84, and here we keep 2. Here we have to add, here we have to subtract. So this becomes 4, 4, and the digit here it becomes 26. This whole 76 comes down. So what we are going to do is, what should be multiplied? What should be multiplied with 4, 4, 1 into 1, 4, 4, 2 into 2, 4, 4, 3 into 3, 4, 4, 4 into 4. Now what we are going to see, here we have 6, okay. So 1 ones are 1, that is not possible. This is for the last step. When you take down the last number, this is for that. 2 twos are 4, so 6 will not come. 3 threes are 9. 4 fours are 16. So we can consider this number. How? We can try also. 444 multiplied by 4. What you get? You will get this. So you can write over here. 444 fours are 2676. Don't get mistaken. 444 fours are or 446 6 are. Both have 6 at the unit place. So every time you have to check which number will come. This or this.